Can you answer this in 3 seconds? Let's see. One, two, three. Time up. Now you got two right, or what did you get? Let me know in the comments. But the truth is the answer is not two. Why? Because let me see how you solved it. You said 2 plus 6 equals 8, then divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4, and 8 divided by 4 gives 2. If this is how you solved it, then you are wrong because this is not correct. So now, how do we solve it and how do we get the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Now, let's see. We'll be using the PEMDAS rule that I believe you know. In case you don't know, let me quickly say it. The PEMDAS rule says P is the parenthesis, and this is also called brackets in other words. So E is the exponent, that is power. Exponent, we can also call it power. M and D, these are multiplication and division. A and S are addition and subtraction. So now what do we have here? We have addition, we have division, and we have exponent. So following the order of the operation, we have to solve the exponent first. So now let's solve exponent first. So this question will become 2 plus 6, then divided by 2 squared is 4. Now it has been simplified. We have addition and division, and we have to divide. Since division appears before addition, we have to divide before we add. So now let's try and divide before we add. This becomes, don't make the mistake of adding before dividing. So this becomes 2 plus, now 6 divided by 4. What will 6 divided by 4? What is 6 divided by 4? 6 divided by 4 is the same thing as 6 over 4. And this can also be written as 2 plus, let's simplify it. 2 will go in 6 3 times. This is 3 over 2. So now let's find the LCM. Don't forget this is over 1. And the LCM will be 2. So if the LCM is 2, this becomes 4 over 2, and this becomes 3 over 2. So we have 7 over 2. Another way to solve this is by saying 2 over 1 plus 3 over 2. We first multiply like this, multiply across. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 times 3 is 3. Then over 1 times 2, that's 2. So that gives 7 over 2. And that will be, how many times will 2 go in 7? That is 3 times. Then we have 1 over 2. Or you say 3.5, which is the correct answer. So let me know, did you get the correct answer? Did you get 3.5, or did you get 3.5, or did you get something different entirely? But just know that the answer is not 2. So I'll see you in the next video.